Now we are going to talk about our experience cleaning the campo. My experience when doing this activity was very emotional because I contributed a little in the problem of contamination, and it was sometimes nice to clean that place. Also, today seeds the fruit of tomorrow. Please, the planet will thank you because we really need it safe. We can decrease the trash on the street. Please put your trash in the containers and remember, do not throw trash.
My experience that I had after the activity of collecting garbage that was in a public place was very satisfactory. In some way, I was helping the environment a little, but I was really surprised by the amount of garbage that was there, since it is a place where it is encouraged sport and there was garbage accumulated from several years ago. And my opinion, it should be important to teach people and children to keep all the places where they are without garbage and put it in the corresponding places and make it a habitat like taking a shower or brushing your teeth. We can do it.
In my experience, going to places to collect trash turns out to be a hard work. However, the personal satisfaction is amazing, and in this case, it is important that we as students be an example for society. We shouldn't wait for someone else to do it for us. The future is in our hands. Let's contribute with our grain of sand to build a better future. So, let's practice the 3R: reduce, recycle, and reuse.
The classification of organic and inorganic waste shouldn't be seen as option, but as an obligation to all.
When we start to clean the area on the campo, there was glass, cardboard, plastic, paper, cigars, etc., generated by people who regularly visit the place, most of them from here ITESA. It's very sad, you know, that a family place where you exercise, where animals eat grass, become a dump. Parents from ITESA and people from the surroundings. I invite you to become aware of the image and contamination that we are creating in a place that should be clean. Remember to keep in mind your values, which they are. Show your education and respect for the environment in which you live. Please, not pollute.
As an experience with making his video, I keep all day good that it with my friends when collecting garbage. In some people, though they do not have the conscience or the evil they do win, they throw their garbage where they what at this we I invited to you not to throw the garbage anywhere they in which you may deposit in the container.
Interesting the number and quality of grant space can reduce short-lived climate pollutants that produce a strong global warming and effects with cleaning the field where friends and your family, your boyfriend, your girlfriend live together, guys. Guys, please. It's very nice to have a clean place Where do you live with friends or your family? So how do you feel comfortable and feel like spending some time enjoying yourself with your friends?
When we work around the campo, we found much trash, so students from ITESA came together to do cleaning in all the area.
And the responsibility for children to learn to recycle and take care of nature depend on parents, educators, and society in general.
You have to be friendly to the environment.
Yes, of course, cleaning up day.
Remember, don't throw trash. Show your education.